Yes. Ah! Okay. Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Halle J here for those of you who are new, and if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an upload from your girl. Today's episode of Vlogmas is just going to be a makeup tutorial because why not? And I haven't posted a makeup tutorial in so long, so we're going to just get into it. If this is going to be a talk through, we're not sure. We're just gonna see how it goes. The brows are looking pretty good today. Not gonna do too much to them. I think we're just gonna go in with this Juvia's Place palette. I think this is the Warrior palette. Everything that I'm using will be down below in the description box, like I do with all of my tutorials, but just in case you didn't know. Can y'all see? Oh, we real close. Oh goodness. Okay. Okay, so I'm just taking some brown eyeshadow and underlining my brows because I think, you know, we're gonna go for a soft brow today. Y'all see how that just snatched it real quick anyways, and you know, I'm just gonna almost do like little hair like strokes to just fill in where I'm sparse. But like my eyebrows looking real good these days. I don't know, my eyebrow lady, she did that. She did it. They're looking real full and everything. And I just take a little bit in the front, not too much, because I don't want them to be too dark or look too boxy. So that's all I really do. So that brow's done, and this brow is not done.
Ryan Little.
Guys, this is the look. Definitely in love. At first I was like but now I'm looking at it, this is it. The lips are really doing it for me. They're really doing it for me. Really doing it for me. Oh, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And if you have a little time on your hands, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. If you have any ideas for future videos or just anything you want to share with me, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I love you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.